Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr Financial Group, and today's Wednesday, May 1, 2024. So let's take a quick review of the stock market for April. The Dow was down 5% in April, the S&P down 4.1, Nasdaq down 4.4%, and the Russell down 7%. I mean, the Dow's down almost 2,000 points in 1 month. So it was a bad, month for stocks. Utilities were the only sector that was up in April. Growth really got hit hard. Some of the names, as an example, Facebook, Meta, which did their earnings, it was down like 16% in one day at the low. Tesla's been down all year. Came back on Monday, Tuesday this week because of Musk being in China and getting some positive news out of that, but still been a very weak stock. Apple, and Lululemon in the last 6 weeks down 25%. Kind of a premier growth company, great brand and everything, but the growth is slowing. So what's going on? I want to quote from the Kobesi letter, somebody I follow. I don't give them credit for just kind of a summary across all markets of what's going on. So I will read this. Stocks down ahead of more big tech earnings. Oil prices down on fears of higher interest rates. Gold prices down on worries over a strong dollar. Natural gas prices down on weak U.S. demand. Bond prices down ahead of the May Fed meeting, which is today, and we'll come back to that. Crypto down as market risk appetites begin to fade. And their final comment, it's a race to the exit ahead of the Fed meeting. So the Fed meeting today, they're not going to do anything. There's no, they're not going to cut, they're not going to raise it, but the statement and the press conference with Powell afterwards will be very important. A couple of interesting things, I think. There's 40, at this currently, 42% of one rate cut in the remaining part of 2024. There's 27% of no cuts, and both of those are rising. In January, there was only 10% of a expected probability of no rate cuts, and now it's up to 27 and rising, and it's 42% for only one. So I'm concluding a table here. It's a lot of data on it, but it talks about what the probabilities are. That table is from the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So I'll be back on Friday. Good luck. Thank you for listening, and please like and subscribe. Talk to you on Friday. Thank you. Goodbye.